Here I've got CROSSCALL Action-X3, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So let's start with the first method, very quick one. Simply open the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got two IMEI numbers for both SIM cards of yours. Click on OK, and let's go back to the home screen. And now we will open both numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate about phone, so it's the very last tab, and then go to the status. Here you can see IMEI information. Simply click on it to open, and here you've got both IMEI numbers. If you will go back and scroll a bit lower, you will also notice serial number for your CROSSCALL. And that would be all. This is how you can locate both unique numbers for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.